skills are key for career growth, especially in fast-changing fields like data science. As we move toward 2025, the demand for data scientists with strong skills will continue to rise. This article explores 20+ important skills that both new and experienced data scientists need to succeed. We'll cover all the skills you need. This includes soft skills like problem solving and communication. It also includes technical skills like programming and machine learning. Important skills for data scientists. Here are some of the key skills every data scientist should learn. Programming languages, SQL, R, and Python. Statistical analysis, using math and statistics to analyze data. Machine learning, tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Data visualization, creating charts and graphs using Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib. Data wrangling, cleaning and organizing messy data. Big data, working with large datasets using Spark and Hadoop. Database management, using MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and MySQL. Cloud computing, working with Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services, AWS. Statistical software, tools like SPSS and SAS for data analysis. Mathematics, learning calculus, probability, and linear algebra. Data mining, finding useful information in large amounts of data. Natural language processing, NLP, analyzing and understanding text. That essential technical skills for data scientists. 1. Data visualization. Data visualization helps scientists turn complicated data into easy-to-understand charts and graphs. They use tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. These tools help them create visuals that highlight key trends and patterns. This helps experts and beginners understand the data better. They can then make smart decisions. 2. Machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data and make predictions. Data scientists use tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. These help them build models that spot patterns. This way, businesses can make smarter decisions. This skill is useful for things like predicting stock prices, recommending movies, or even detecting fraud. 3. Programming is key for data scientists. It helps them handle data, build models, and automate tasks. Python, R, and SQL are widely used for data analysis, statistics, and managing databases. Good programming skills help data scientists organize big data sets, build custom tools, and improve their work efficiency. 4. Understanding probability and statistics helps data scientists analyze data and make smart decisions. They apply math ideas like hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and probability distributions. These methods help them spot patterns in data and make predictions about outcomes. These skills help them see if their models are accurate. They can then make reliable conclusions. 5. Deep learning. Deep learning is a unique kind of machine learning. It helps computers recognize images, understand speech, and process text. It uses neural networks, which are designed to work like the human brain. Scientists use TensorFlow and PyTorch to create and train these models. Deep learning plays a key role in AI. It helps create self-driving cars and voice assistants. 6. Data scientists deal with vast amounts of data. They need solid computing skills to process information fast. You need to understand how computers work. This means using parallel processing, which divides tasks into smaller parts. You also need to manage big data with tools like Apache Hadoop and Spark. Good computing skills help data scientists analyze data faster and get accurate results. 7. Mathematical skills. Math is key for data scientists. It helps them build models, analyze data, and solve problems. They need to understand linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These skills are used to develop machine learning algorithms and make accurate predictions. 8. Big data. Big data means working with huge amounts of information that regular computers can't handle. Data scientists use tools like Apache Hadoop, Spark, and Kafka. These help them store, process, and analyze large data sets. These skills help companies find useful insights and make smart decisions. 9. Data wrangling. Data wrangling, or data cleaning, fixes messy data. It organizes the data for easy analysis. Scientists remove errors, fill in missing values, and put data into the right format. They use tools like pandas and NumPy in Python to make the process faster and easier. 10. Math is important for data scientists. It helps them develop and refine models for machine learning and data analysis. Linear algebra, calculus, and probability help us solve tough problems. They also allow us to make accurate predictions using data. 11. Programming languages. Programming is an essential skill for data scientists. They use languages like Python, R, and SQL to analyze data, build models, and manage databases. These languages help scientists process data efficiently and automate tasks. 12. Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages for data science. It has useful libraries such as pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. These tools assist with data analysis, machine learning, and AI. Knowing Python allows scientists to build powerful models and find patterns in data. 13. Analytics. Analytics means studying data to find useful patterns and trends. Data scientists use math and computer tools to analyze data. This helps them make smart decisions. This helps businesses solve problems and plan for the future. 14. R programming. R is a computer language used for data analysis and making graphs. It has tools like ggplot2 and plur that help scientists organize and visualize data. Learning R allows scientists to study information and present it clearly. 15. Database management. Data scientists need to store and organize large amounts of information. They use databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. These help them save, find, and manage data efficiently. Good database skills help keep data safe and easy to use. How to build your data science skills. Formal education. Earn a degree in data science, computer science, math, or statistics. This will give you a solid foundation. Online learning and certifications. You can learn data science by taking online courses. Check out the websites iCertGlobal. Some good certifications include Google Data Analytics Certificate, Microsoft Certified Data Scientist, Certified Data Scientist, CDS. Practice with real projects. Work on real-world projects to improve your skills. Learn coding. Study Python, R, and SQL, which are important for data science. Practice coding daily to get better. How to become a data scientist. Get the right education. A bachelor's degree in computer science, math, or data science is helpful. A master's degree or PhD can help you get better job opportunities. Develop key skills. Programming. Learn Python, R, and SQL. Data analysis. Study how to work with data and find patterns. Machine learning. Learn tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Data visualization. Use tools like Tableau and Power BI to show data clearly. Big data. Get familiar with Hadoop and Spark to work with huge data sets. Conclusion. To stay ahead in 2025, future and current data scientists need to learn many different skills. Skills such as statistical analysis, data visualization, programming, and machine learning will set you up for success. Since the world of data is always changing, it's important to keep learning. By joining our data scientist program, you'll learn more and get hands-on experience. These courses will teach you the skills you need to become a great data scientist and make a real impact in your job.